Today I'm going to review olive oil and its 10 uses. Also, we will discuss its benefits. I am using this Figaro olive oil. This is 100 ml and it costs 160 rupees. You can use any company olive oil. I'm almost going to complete this bottle and I also have a spare one. Now let's talk about its benefits. First benefit, it helps to moisturize cuticles and helps in nail growth. You can apply this around the nail. Also, it also helps in healing the skin that comes off on the sides of the nail. Second use that you can take out of olive oil is that you can apply it on eyelashes. This oil does not irritate the skin around the eye and it's quite helpful in growth of eyelashes. I have experienced that myself. Third use that you can take it out of this olive oil is that you can use it around eyebrows and it does help to grow eyebrows. Fourth use is if you apply it on your hair, it gives a shine to hair. Because this oil is not heavy like coconut oil and it's not sticky as well, it can be applied and we can go out using this oil as well. This oil can also be used for dandruff, treating dandruff. It reduces dandruff. It does not completely takes away it, but it does reduce. So fifth use was treating dandruff. Sixth use is that we can prepare and cook food using this oil. This is considered healthier option because it has antioxidants in it. Also, patients with heart disease and high blood pressure are often recommended to use olive oil in their food. Seventh use is that you can use it as makeup remover. Even the difficult mascara, the waterproof one, can also be removed using this easily. And also because it's not irritant to eyes, it can easily be applied on the eye to remove makeup. Eighth use is that it can be used to moisturize lips. It is said to heal chapped lips. You can apply it overnight and see the effect in the morning. Ninth use is that you can use it to moisturize cracked heels. You can apply it on the sole of the foot and it will just melt away the hard skin. Massage the foot using this oil and it will help. 10th use is that if your hand gets dirty with car grease or a paint, you can easily remove using olive oil. So these were the 10 uses. Thanks for watching.